In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Canva account and understand the 14-day restore window. We'll walk through the exact path inside Canva, how to confirm the deletion with the email code, and what happens afterward so there are no surprises. Start on the main Canva dashboard. If you're currently editing a design, close it so you're back at the home screen where you can see your recent designs and templates. From here, look to the bottom left corner and click your profile. That opens a small menu where you'll choose Settings. Inside Settings, find and click Login Settings. This is where Canva keeps options related to your account access and security. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page, and you'll see the Delete Account button. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Canva will ask you to verify it's really you. They'll send a one-time code to the email address associated with your account. Open your email in a new tab or on your phone. Look for the message from Canva with the verification code and copy it. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment. Then check your spam or junk folder. Also make sure you're checking the inbox for the same email you use to log into Canva. When you have the code, return to Canva, paste or type it into the field provided, and then click Delete Account to confirm. After you confirm, your account enters a pending deletion period. Here's the key detail. You have 14 days to change your mind. During those 14 days, simply logging back in will restore your account and stop the deletion. This safety window is there so you don't lose access by mistake. If you decide you're done for good, just don't sign in again, and your account will be permanently removed after the 2-week period. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're on the correct Canva account before you begin, especially if you juggle multiple logins. Have stable internet while entering the code so it submits correctly. If you can't find the Delete Account option, double-check that you're inside Login Settings and that you've scrolled to the very bottom of the page. And remember, once the 14-day window passes, your designs and settings are no longer recoverable. That's the entire process. Start at the dashboard, open your profile, head into Settings, go to Login Settings, scroll down, click Delete Account, verify with the code sent to your email, and confirm. Take advantage of the 14-day restore window if you need it, and you're all set.